Do you know that Robiel has a complete repair kit for the Cummins ISM M11 N14 unit injector? I'm talking about this guy right here. That is a Cummins M11 N14 unit injector, and Robiel developed a complete repair kit with all the parts you need to repair this unit injector, including O-rings, top piston, springs, filter, and even the electrical connection. Let me show you how this repair kit comes. This is the bag the repair kit comes, and let me show you some of the features that this repair has. First, we have a brand new electrical connection, exactly the same as the OEM, with all the inscriptions you need to have for a perfect repair. Also, very good electrical connection for you to make a successful repair. Also, we have the filters. This is extremely important to change every time you do the repair. And inside the bag, you'll see all the springs, all the pistons, all the plungers, all the O-rings, and everything you should need to do a complete repair of this unit injector. So that's it, guys. That's one of the Robiel's development that's gonna help you to do the repair on the Cummins ISM M11 and 14 unit injectors. Also, Robiel does have, for this same injector, the poppet valve that goes on here, and also the ceramic valve that goes on the bottom here. And Robiel does have the complete tool set for you guys to repair this in your workshop without any trouble. Please access the Robiel social media and also the website, download our app, and also download our catalog in your computer so you can stay up to date with all the parts and tools that Robiel has to offer for you.